Hello everyone, my name is Harry Lee and I'm going to do a tutorial on JQ Mobile Theme Roller. First thing you need to do is go to the website, the JQ website. Here's the website here, jqmobile.com/. Once you get to the website, you come over here and you click on Themes. It's going to take you to another page, and from there you will see a Welcome to Theme Roller from JQ Mobile. It gives you a little bit of information. Create up to 26 theme swatches, letters from A to Z. And then down here, it just click Get Rolling. You start out with 3 swatches, A, B, and C. Along the top here, you have some buttons here. You have an undo, redo. You have a download where when you get to the point where you are ready to download your swatches. You have import and you have help. Along the screen right here, you have your color palette. And all you do is grab a color, drag it, and drop it onto your swatch. And you just see here, we'll drop, let's say, let's do a green or sort of a yellow. Let's see, using blue. Also along here you have a light where you can lighten it and or darken your color palette. And then you have your saturation where you can also do the same. You can either lighten it or kind of darken it. And we throw a few more colors here on our swatches. Let's try a sort of a gray here. And let's throw a brown. You also have a swatch here where if you wanted to add more swatches, you have an add swatch button. You just click it and it will add more swatches. You also have a color palette that you that others have submitted. You just click on it and it will load, and it will have swatches where you can just drag and drop. That's all you have to do. Do a little burgundy here. And then also over here you have a color palette that every time you recent colors used is basically every time you click on a color and drag and drop it, it places it over here. We have some tabs on the left. These tabs allow you to do certain make changes. You have a global tab. When you click on one of the options, you can click on. You can make changes to your font family, active status. Just click on the bar, and as you move it, it will change the colors of your buttons. Like here, you see it moving there. As I move the bar, you can see it kind of move the colors moving up and down. And this right here will apply to every button, every swatch that's on the in the panel on the panel. But if you want to make it specific to a specific like A and not to B or C, then you just click on your swatches here, and you can just make the change to swatch A. As you see that I'm darkening the colors right there a little bit. put a little bit of radiance on there. You can also play around a little more with the radiance, like if you wanted to add more of a, say a blue radiance in there, and have it go from a sort of a blue to a yellow. You can also have control. You have that option too. You also have a plus button here that will allow you to also add more swatches, just the same as the one down here. It's just located here too. You can also delete your swatches. But once you have created all your swatches that you want and you're ready for a download, all you do is go up here to this button up here where it says download theme zip file, and all you do is click on it, and it will take you to another page here, and basically downloading your themes. You got to give it a name, and we would just name this, we'll just give it a name called theme. Let's say theme 1. Then you just click the download zip, and it will download to your computer. Okay, there's a couple things you need to do before you can apply it into your application. So we don't need this for the moment, so let's close that out. And we'll go down here and to our download folder, and then we would just bring it up here and place it here. We open it. Now, before we do that, a couple of things I want to I already created a tutorial, a little application here, and these are the colors that JQ Mobile default colors that they use, and I just applied them already. Here there's a blue, black, and yellow. But before you can use your colors that you have that's created, you got to put it in your application that you're working on. So you have a little folder here that's as an index HTML. Basically, this is just, let's see what it is. Okay, this is just saying that the swatches that you created all worked okay. They're all worked okay, and it gives you some links that allow you to link that folder to your application. Okay, we don't need this for a moment. Let's move this out the way, or let's just minimize it, or just close it out for a second. Okay. Here is my application, and what we need to do is we need to get rid of, let's see, come down here. We don't need this anymore, so we need to get rid of that. Let's take it out. And we need to actually copy both of these, and let's do a copy, and then let's do a paste, and then we need to grab one more thing. Also grab this right here and do the same thing with this one. We don't need the script at the bottom because it's already there and exactly the same, so we don't need to actually copy that one. And then let's move all the way down to the bottom of the screen, and we can take this one here out because we don't need that one. And paste that one in. So we're ready to go. One thing I discovered, anytime that when I downloaded my own theme, the theme that the JQ Mobile, you cannot use the default colors that they have. I don't know why I can't do that, but when I worked around that, I just created the same colors that they use, the default colors and stuff they use. I just recreate them in my theme, and that way, if I wanted to use those colors, I still have access to those colors. Okay, as you see here, these are the defaults. And let me save this so we can do the change here. About that, and oh, we got to do one other thing for that. One other thing before we do that, we need to actually, we don't need that anymore, so we can close that out. We actually got to create the folder and put the folder into our application here, and let's say copy it, and we don't need that anymore, so we just close it and go into the theme. There's my folder, and simply place the folder there. Since I already placed my codes in there, that's already connected. And here we are. Then let's hit save. So make sure everything's saved. Then over here, all we have to do is hit refresh, and there it is. All my themes there, they all applied into my application. And there you are. And as you see, I'm applied to all the buttons. And let's do one other thing here. Let's actually make a change. Let's say we are going to take a look at that. Let's say we want to apply this blue, this purple, to one of the buttons. So that's a B. And let's say we want to apply it to this button here. No, no. Okay. Okay, wait a minute. Sorry about that. No, let's apply A. Because A, we apply A, it should be this orange here. So we go right here, and we put A, and hit save. And then we do a refresh. There it is. Apply the orange. Well, that's all you have to do. It's very easy to use. They made it very simple. I think this is a great program using the theme roller. And my name is Harry Lee, and this is a tutorial of JQ Mobile theme roller. Thank you.